Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to monitor the network interface activities using nmcli command in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So let me open the terminal, switch as a root user, nmcli device status. So this will show you the status of the device. So we are going to monitor ENS160. Okay. So this is the command nmcli connection monitor ENS160. That's it. You can see that one thread is started. Now let me open another terminal in another tab. Switch as a root user. Now let me try to change the static IP address. I am changing the static IP address for ENS160 and let me know what is going to happen. Yes. Okay, let me switch back to the terminal. Yes, you can see that it's showing as connection profile change.